Thank you for joining us. We're going to take a little drive here in this DATSUN 2000 Roadster. It's got nice power, goes through the gears easily. This has an overhead cam engine in it, and back in the day when this was being sold, it was rare. It was rare that you would find a car with a 5-speed transmission. Most of them had a 4-speed transmission, but this came with a 5-speed, and that was one more nice thing that this offered that a lot of other cars didn't.
Evidence of Helene. This used to be all trees.
Oh boy, Helene took them out.
Oh, Helene took thousands of pictures.
Yeah, trees came down.
Trees down here.
We are up in the North Carolina mountains, and a lot of people knew that we had a pretty bad hurricane through here about a year and a half ago, and so there's still construction going on and reconstruction. But this car has a nice feel to it. I think the nicest thing is that so many of the cars I would drive of the early era, they just didn't have any power. And this one's got a nice amount of torque. And as we mentioned in the other video, this car won the C-Class in the Sports Car Club of America's National Championship. And one of the people that raced these cars was Paul Newman when he got into racing. All right. No crunching, no bad sounds, all synchronized. Boy, it's a beautiful place to drive a nice little Roadster. We want to give you a view of what it looks like behind the wheel, and we'll have a few other videos to show, and you can look at the copy and the listing and get some of the details of the particulars of this car. But this would be a wonderful car for somebody's collection.